Minasan konnichiwa, Junya to moshimasu, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Okay, so yung topic natin for today is about how to use particle e. Okay, so lesson 4 na po tayo. Okay, so si particle e, ang original sound niya ay he. Ngayon, kapag siya ay particle na, nagiging e na po yung kanyang pronunciation. Hajimete ikimasho. Si particle e is used to show direction, meaning in English is to, towards. Pero sa Tagalog, ang meaning ni e is nang. Okay, we use ikimas, kairimas, kimas. Yung ikimas is to go, kairimas is to go home, kimas is to come. Emphasizes direction, shows the direction you're heading. So it means hindi siya mismong lugar, kundi direction lang papunta doon sa lugar na yon. Ito yung ating pattern, place, particle e, movement. Yung movement dyan, nandun yung kairimas, ikimas, at kimas. I will go to art museum. Ako yung pupunta. Watashi wa, yung place, bijutsukan, particle e, ikimasu. Watashi wa bijutsukan ne ikimasu. I came to Brazil yesterday. Watashi, put particle wa, kino, yesterday, Brazil, yung place, then particle e, kimashita. Past tense na siya. The next, I will go home. Watashi wa, uchi, then particle e again, kairimasu. Ito po yung sa Tagalog, pupunta ako ng art museum. So hindi ka mismo sa art museum pupunta, kundi pupunta ka ng art museum, direction sa art museum, hindi destination. Kung destination ang gagamitin natin, kung specific location, as in dun ka mismo pupunta sa art museum, instead na sini yung gagamitin natin. Next, another pattern, time, particle ni, pinag-aral natin nung lesson 3. Place, particle e, then movement. Okay, gamitin natin ulit yung ikimas, kairimas, kimas sa movement. I went to coffee shop at 3 p.m. Watashi wa, then sundan na natin yung pattern, time. Sanji ni, place, kisaten e, then past tense, ikimashita. I will come to park at 5 p.m. Watashi wa goji, time, ni koen, place e ikimasu. Watashi wa goji ni koen e ikimasu. Next, how to use kara in made. Okay, kara shows start time, place, or point. So, meaning ni kara is from. Samantalang si made shows end time, place, or point. Up to or until. Example, I will work from 8 until 5. Watashi wa hachiji, magmula 8, lagyan mo ng kara. Hachiji kara 5ji made hatarakimasu. So yung kara at made hindi lang yan ginagamit sa oras, pati rin sa location or place. It will take 5 hours from Philippines to Japan. Philippine kara, lugar naman to, Nihon made 5時間 gurai kakarimasu. Okay, owarimashita minna. Okay, so, ja mata ne.